Welcome to our next class, students. So in the last video we completed up to question number 4 of exercise 4.2. So today we'll be doing exercise 4.2 question number 5. You have to solve this. This is the question, children. 5 raised to the power minus 1 can be written as 1 by 5 plus 10 raised to power minus 1 can be written as 1 by 10. That is enclosed into the bracket. Negative power, to make it positive, we will reciprocate. 3 by 4 will become 4 by 3 and the power will become positive. Now you have done in junior classes how fractions can be added or subtracted by taking LCM. LCM of 5 and 10 is 10. 10 divided by 5 is 2. 2 ones are 2. Plus 10 divided by 10 is 1. 1 ones are 1. Divide by 4 by 3 as it is. 2 plus 1 it is 3 by 10. Divide by 4 over 3. How we can divide the fractions? By changing division sign to multiplication. Clear? And this will become 3 by 4. Nothing can be cancelled here. So it will be what? 3 3s are 9 divided by 40, which is a proper fraction and will be your answer. Next question. 7 over 9 raised to the power minus 12, 9 by 7. So you can see here bases are reciprocal of each other. So let's make them same by reciprocating this term. Clear? So this will become 7 over 9 raised to the power minus 10. Now bases are same. They multiply, powers will be added. So this will be minus 12 plus, here the power is plus now. Clear? Plus 10 is the power now. So minus 12, write it, minus 12 plus 10. Minus plus is minus, 12 minus 10 is what? 2. Clear? And sign of greater number. So we never leave our answer in the negative power. So it is what? Reciprocated again, 9 by 7 raised to the power 2 means multiply 9 by 7 with 9 by 7. Your answer is 81 by 49. Third part of the question, you can see here 3 different variables are given, A, B and C. A and A, both the bases are same and they divide each other, powers will subtract. So minus 3, minus 4 into B and B, powers, bases are same, they divide each other, powers will subtract, minus 2, no power, minus 1. Clear? Into C raised to the power minus 5 minus 3 will make it plus. It will be minus 5 minus, what to subtract? Minus 3. So it will become minus 5 minus plus 3. Next is D raised to the power 5 minus 4. Clear? Now this will become A raised to the power minus is plus 7, sign of greater number. B raised to the power minus plus 2 plus 1 3, sign of greater number. C raised to the power minus plus is minus, 5 minus 3 is 2, power of greater number. And D power 5 minus 4 is 1. Only this power is positive, rest all the powers are negative. In order to make them positive, we'll take them into the denominator, and in the numerator you are left only with D. With this your second exercise is finished. Next exercise, children, standard form. You know that many a times you must have seen speed of the light is 3 into 10 raised to the power 8 meters per second. So very large numbers we are writing in the power form. Clear? So this is called standard form, and this is standard form. A is equal to m into 10 raised to the power n. So children, remember the limit of m is, m should lie between 1 to 10. M should lie between 1 to 10 and n can be any integer. Integer, you know that they are positive as well as negative also. Let's start with first question. Express the following number in standard form. This is the question and you have to write it in standard form. Clear? In the power form you have to write. Look children, as I told you, this is m and the limit of m is 1 to 10. Where should we put decimal so that it will be between 1 to 10 only? If I put a decimal here, it will be 23 point. Not acceptable. Meaning decimal will be here 2 point something. 2 point something will lie between 1 to 10. So I put a decimal here. Now after the decimal you count the number of digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Multiply by 10 raised to the power 7. See beta, this was the simple number. We put a decimal here. Clear? How we can write it in this form? Let's see now. We write it 2.34567 into 10 raised to the power 7. Clear? Remove the decimal. 2.34567 upon 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, 2 more zeros. I forgot to write here 2 more zeros. Okay, and total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 digits. 10 raised to the power 7. This will get cancelled and you will obtain the same number. Understood? So this number can be written in this form also. So you must be thinking, why ma'am has not written 2 zeros? See beta, 3.00 means 3 only, or after the decimal, if 0 zeros are there at last, they doesn't have any value, so you can remove it. So this expression can be written in this form: 2.3456700 into 10 raised to the power 7. And in the next step, we have not written 2 zeros because after the decimal, if 0 zeros are there at last, they doesn't have any value. Now, come to the next question. You can see here, right now decimal is here and it is 23, which is not in our range because m should be between 1 to 10. So, just to satisfy that, we will shift the decimal here. Earlier, decimal was here and we need to shift it here. How many digits you will shift? 1 digit only. So, it needs to be multiplied with 10 power 1. This is your answer. Now, everything is satisfied. Look here now. Here, such a large number. In order to make it between 0 to 1, decimal should be here. 7 point something. Clear? 7 point something. So, right now decimal is here. How many digits it has to move? 1, 2, 3 and 4. I put the decimal here and multiplied with 10 raised to the power 4. Next is no decimal, means we have to start from here. So in order to make it between 1 to 10, if we'll write decimal over here, it will be 10 point something, more than 10. So decimal should be here, 1 point something. So count the number of digits: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Clear? This multiply 10 raised to the power 9. Again 2 zeros. No need. You can write this expression as 1.0056789 into 10 raised to the power 9 is your answer. Next is decimal is here and in order to make it between 1 to 10, it should be here. Now count the digits, how many you have to shift? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits you have to shift. So 10 raised to the power 5. Again 0 zeros are there at last. Can be written as 6, 8, 2, 9 into 10 raised to the power 5. Next is also same. You have to shift decimal here. 2 digits you have to move. So multiply with 10 raised to the power 2. Next question is the distance of Earth from the moon is given in this form. So write it in standard form. No decimal, children. So we will put decimal here. Then only it will be between 1 to 10. 3.84 something. So if we put decimal here, count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits. So you can see here I multiplied with 10 raised to the power 7. 3.84. So these zeros, if we'll put decimal, will not have any value, can be removed. Next. So decimal we have to put over here. Count the number of digits: 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Clear? 3.000 into 10 raised to the power 5 can be written as 3 into 10 raised to the power 5 kilometers per second. Next is we need to put decimal here. Count the number of digits: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10 raised to power 7. And then after writing this, these zeros will not have any value. You can remove. Same way, you can see the next question. Decimal will be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10 raised to the power 8. Okay. And you can remove these zeros. Here all are zeros. Decimal will be here. 1 point something means 1 only. Count these zeros. It will be 11. So will be written as 1 into 10 raised to the power 11. With this, children, this chapter is finished. So prepare this chapter well for the test and for the coming exams. Thank you.